I would say it's a creative, collaborative, flexible crowd of people, and that's also reflected in our culture. So a lot of our creativity, I would say, comes from very diverse backgrounds we have in terms of experiences or what we study, but then also where people come from and the nationalities. And we also do a lot for collaboration and creativity. For example, in project teams, I as a project manager, I'm responsible for fostering exactly that. So what we do, for example, is treating every person or every team member the same as a full team member, no matter which seniority level. That means, for example, an intern is a full team member and is highly encouraged to also challenge and have open discussion with us and to bring in different viewpoints. And what we also do then outside of teamwork is we have, for example, a lot of lunch and learns where project teams present their projects, ask for open feedback, but then we also have like interest groups you can join, tribes, focus topics, and then you can also just brainstorm with like-minded people on developments. So yeah, that's how we foster our creativity and collaboration. The first topic is the variety and the type of projects we work on. So in the last years I've been working on very strategic, very conceptual projects, but also very operational projects. I've been working with a lot of different departments from operation to IT to HR, and that has been very interesting and I learned a lot. The second topic I really like is that we build a very close client relationship or stakeholder relationship, and we also share the same goals. So since as an in-house consulting we work for the DHL group, we share the same goal of bringing the group forward, but we also like to stay in touch with our clients long after the project has closed, to just follow up with them and see what's happening in their area. And the third topic is the impact that we deliver. So I've been, for example, working on enabling a company vaccination campaign in Germany for over 200,000 employees last year. And obviously looking back and thinking how we've changed people's lives is something very motivating and makes me very passionate about that. I'm a naturally very curious person, so I like also to learn a lot, and especially this learning curve that you will get in consulting is something that motivated me a lot to get to this career. And also the development opportunities in in-house consulting are very big, right? Being part of the DHL group, obviously it offers a lot of doors you can step in. And another topic is, after my studies in the UK and Hong Kong, for me it was clear that I would like to work in a very international environment, which obviously the DHL group offers with being present in more than 200 countries and territories. But then also within DHL we have a very diverse crowd with people from a lot of countries.